We are at the Piazza Navona. It's one of the beautiful squares in Rome, surrounded by restaurants and cafes, dominated by three fountains and an ancient Egyptian obelisk in front of a church. If you look at the piazza, it resembles Circus Maximus, like a chariot racing course. It was originally built as Circus Agonalis by Emperor Domitian in the year 86 AD. This stadium was used for games like fighting, long jump, disc throws, foot racing, and also was a place for training athletes. Over the time, the name of the stadium was remembered as in Agona. Agona means game, and it later became Navona. The present piazza was rebuilt by adding the fountains and the church in the mid 1600s, commissioned by the Pope Innocent X. This obelisk was brought by Domitian for decorating the temple of Egyptian god Isis, which was built during his reign. Later, it was moved to Circus of Maxentius near the Appian Way. And during the restoration of this piazza, this obelisk was re-erected here. The fountain was built by Gian Lorenzo Bernini, and it represents four major rivers from four continents in the known world during 1700s. For each river, he associated a personality. The man holding an oar and a dragon at his feet is Ganges of Asia. The one leaning back holding the obelisk is Danube River of Europe and is associated with the horse. And the next one is Rio de la Plata of Americas with an armadillo. The Nile River of Africa is covered with a cloth, as the source is unknown during those days, and is associated with a lion. Later, after few years, two fountains were added on the either side of the Fountain of Four Rivers. The one on your left, while you are facing the church, is the Fountain of Moors, surrounded by tritons. And the one on the right is the Fountain of Neptune. Behind the statue of Neptune is the entrance for the underground area of this piazza, where you can find the ruins of the old stadium. There you can find the entrance of the original stadium still preserved. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to find my next video.